When we turn pages of ancient mythology, we find fascinating tales. In ancient Mesopotamia, where legends dwell, Anunnaki, the mighty deities of old who ruled the cosmos with powers untold, while the igigi, lesser gods of earth, struggled with laborious duties and enduring endless strains from their very birth. Until one day, tired of their heavy load, the igigi raised a rebellion, which threw the divine order into chaos. Enki, a wise god, offered a new plan. From clay and the blood of a fallen igigi, they shaped man and woman to serve the divine. Humans multiplied and filled the earth with